For this project, I'm going to show you a super simple way to disable the navigation sounds inside Kodi. By default, Kodi has menu navigation sounds enabled. To disable, select System, select System again, select Audio Output. Under Play GUI Sounds, you have three options. The first option is only when playback is stopped, which is your default setting. The second option is always, even when videos are playing. The third option is never. Disable menu sounds completely. Now you can go from this to this in a few super simple steps.